Why snoring should never be ignored or taken lightly. Snoring is a common problem for many people. There are many causes of snoring. Snoring may be a chronic problem or it can be a temporary condition brought on by a cold or other health issues. Whatever the cause of snoring, these tips can help put an end to snoring and give you more peaceful nights. Many snorers have found varying levels of relief by purchasing one of the many snore prevention products on the market. There are sprays to moisten the throat and nasal passages which can be effective in some cases. There are also nasal strips which pull the nasal passages open for a better airflow. Take care of your allergies to alleviate snoring. Many times, snoring is caused by an allergy to dust mites, pet fur, or other allergen. The allergy can cause your nasal and throat passages to swell, leading to a rattling snore. Taking an over-the-counter medication can help, or see your doctor to find the best treatment. While it may take a little time, losing any excess weight can be extremely beneficial to snorers. Being overweight puts extra pressure on many places in your body, including the throat, which can lead to snoring. Since your neck is one of the first places you lose weight from, even just a few pounds can help calm snoring down. Stick to a regular bedtime, and practice good sleep habits in general to reduce the incidence of snoring. If you go to bed overtired, sleep erratic hours, or have other bad sleep habits, you may sleep very deeply, which relaxes the muscles in the back of your throat more than usual. This can contribute to snoring. As previously stated, snoring can be a very common condition. Many people snore or sleep with someone who snores. There are ways to reduce or eradicate snoring. The tips from the above video can help you put an end to snoring and bring peaceful night and restful sleep back into your life. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.